What's up guys? In this video, I will show you another way on how you can earn through staking with the use of Starderlabs. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is Starderlab's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. As soon as you get into this website, guys, let me show you this, right? 108,267,344 US dollars asset staked in Starderlabs, and the rewards paid more than $20 million. It is a multi-chain liquid staking platform, and as you could see here, it is available on different blockchain networks. You have Polygon, you have BNB, Phantom, a lot of different blockchains out there as well. Ethereum, of course, Avalanche, Solana. So those are the blockchain networks that Starderlabs support. Alright, so out of the supported networks, what we will choose for this video will be BNB. And just so you know guys, for the other blockchain networks, it will also be very similar on how you would be able to stake your cryptocurrency token. So introducing BNBX. Stake and grow your BNB with Starder's liquid staking token BNBX. So if you click on this, it will take you directly, and I will show you later on how you can go ahead and stake your BNB, and I will also show you the liquidity pool pairs that will be available for you for BNBX. All right, so meet BNBX. There are a lot of different things. So this is another way on how you could earn extra aside from your spot trading, your futures trading. This is staking. All right, so let me go ahead and go directly to this. When you click on stake now, all right, it will take you here. Okay, now it's very straightforward. If you click on connect wallet, you could choose from the different crypto wallets that are available here, and in our case we will choose MetaMask. All right, so let me go ahead and click on next and connect. So once you have connected your wallet successfully in the Starderlabs platform, you are ready to start staking. But of course, make sure that you have BNB available in your wallet. That way, when you choose to already stake, you would be available to do so. So you will see here, you could go ahead and click on stake. All right, so you could put on, like say for example, 1 BNB, you would like to stake 1 BNB. So say for example, you put in 1 BNB here, it will tell you directly that you will get 0.9413 BNBX out of the BNB that you are going to be staking. All right, so once you click on stake BNB, you will be able to get this. All right, so and this one right here, guys, is how you could unstake the ones that you entered or that you staked. So this is the unstake. All right, so this is the way on how you could withdraw the cryptocurrency that you entered in the Starderlabs platform. So once you click on this one, take note guys, all right, undelegation requires 7 to 15 days. So make sure to do your own research, because once you stake in your token, it will stay there for 7 to 15 days before you could go ahead and withdraw. So say for example, you know, the cryptocurrency goes down, you wouldn't be able to pull out or unstake the cryptocurrency that you staked in Starderlabs, not until it already reached 7 to 15 days. So that's how it goes. All right, now once you unstake, so it's already free, and then you could go ahead on click on withdraw. So once you have already unstaken it, you could go ahead and opt to withdraw it, or you could wait and stake it with another cryptocurrency. All right, so that's how it goes. Okay, all right, so next one guys that I would like to show you, and this is another way on how you could also earn extra income out of the interest or the profit, is the liquidity staking. All right, so once you click on stake now, all right, so this is how it looks like. So after you have staked here and you have your BNBX already, if you click on the left side right here, this is your liquidity pool. So liquidity pools, when you click on that one, these are your available pairs. Okay, so BNBX to BNB, BNBX to BNB, you have BNBX to USDT as well. So I would strongly suggest that you choose the one with the highest TVL or total value lock, because that is the way on how you would be able to withdraw your liquidity. So like say for instance, for this one guys, all right, I would say that this one right here has 3.77 million. So BNBX to BNB. All right, so BNBX to BNB has $3.77 million. Oh, and before I forget, guys, on the staking part of Starderlabs, all right, so let me just add this one up. So this is something that you need to know, guys, because this is important. Like this one right here, it shows that it's 3.42% annual staking rewards, right? And let's say, for example, the amount of BNB at the time when you staked is $100. And then after 7 days, let's say, for example, after 7 days, the amount or the price of BNB went up 5 times, right? So automatically, your BNB that you staked here is not $100 already, but it multiplied by 5. So $500 worth of BNB 7 days after. So it will take 3.42% of that 500 and not the previous 100. So that's the explanation to that one. All right, so these are your liquidity pool pairs, guys. And I would strongly suggest that when you choose the one that you're going to be investing in or adding liquidity in, choose the one with the highest TVL. All right, so this has 3.77 million TVL, and then this has 13% APR. So if you click on add liquidity, and this is different. I mean, if you click on liquidity, it will take you to a different website depending on which provider you would be choosing. All right. So, and in this case, just a quick example. All right. So say I choose the Wombat one. So add liquidity, it will take you to another site, which is the Wombat. Okay. So you have BNBX right here. If you click on the drop down for that one. So I clicked on this for BNBX and then click on liquidity. It will take you to this one. You could go ahead and slide that slider depending on how much you would like to invest on the BNBX that you currently have. So this is another way on how you could also gain another income. But again, this is volatile as well. Do your own research before you even get yourself into investing, especially with liquidity pools. So staking is one thing that's pretty much known to traders. So instead of just holding it into your crypto wallet, then why not go ahead and stake it with another staking platform, right? And then get a little more extra to that one. But again, make sure to take note of the staking period, because if the staking period that you took or that you used is 30 days, then you will not be able to unstake those cryptocurrency tokens within those 30 days. All right, guys, so this is Starderlab's liquidity pool. Now, there are a lot of pairs that you could choose from here, and there are different providers. Now, let's go ahead and check out this one. So BNBX and the BNB, Gamma Stable it says, and then APR is at 26%. Look at that. And then the TVL, or the total valued lock, is 1.69 million US dollars. So that's pretty good. This is for Athena provider. Let's go ahead and click on add liquidity for that one. All right, so now we are in Athena's liquidity. So let's go ahead and connect our MetaMask here. Okay, once you do that, you already have everything in place. All right, you could go ahead and place the BNBX here that you would like to stake, and then add liquidity and stake. Just go ahead and click on that. It's going to take that and stake it in the liquidity pool. So that is how it works. This is Athena right here. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.